Welcome to the MapMyChannel tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through navigating and using the orders on MapMyChannel application effectively. Navigating to the orders page first, let's navigate to the orders page. From the left menu, click on Orders to access the orders page. You'll find multiple filtering options at the top, such as Order ID, Channel Account, ERP Order Status, Date Range. These filters help you check the list of specific orders based on set criteria. Let's discuss Order Table. Below the filtering options, the page displays a table of orders. Each row represents an individual order, showing details like order ID, order data, source, and order status and action. Depending on current status of the order, each order has specific actions such as edit, archive, resubmit, or cancel. Let's have a look at the functional buttons at the top right. You'll find multiple functional buttons such as Update Shipment, Export Order CSV, Import Order CSV, and Import Order VoiceOver. Let's break down what each button does. Update Shipment refers to a shipment's or order's present status. You can monitor order progress and its current position in the fulfillment process using shipment statuses. Export Order CSV allows you to export your orders as a spreadsheet using the comma-separated values. This is useful for getting a broad overview of your entire order information. The CSV import tool lets you import orders to MapMyChannel in bulk by uploading a spreadsheet. Now, let's see how to use the order page. To filter orders, select the preferred criteria from the drop-down menus and enter the date range if necessary. Then, click the filter button to apply the filters. Understand how to edit an order. To edit an order, click the edit button next to it. This will take you to a detailed order page where you can modify its details. How to export an order. To export data, click Export Order CSV to download a CSV file of the orders displayed. This is useful for reporting or analysis. Troubleshooting common issues. Let's cover some common issues you might encounter. If filters aren't applying correctly, ensure all filter fields are filled out properly. Clearing the browser cache or refreshing the page might also help. Also, if the CSV export doesn't work, check your browser's pop-up settings, as they may block the download. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate and use the orders page on MapMyChannel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.